my name's Jennifer. I'm a video production specialist. Today we're going to be unboxing the brand new Atomos Shogun Connect. Let's get into it. Alright, so let's take off the plastic wrap. Okay, now that we have the plastic wrap off, we can begin to unbox. But before we get into that, I did just want to flip to the back really quick and show you that the back of the box lists all these great, awesome features that the Shogun Connect has. We're not going to go over them into detail in this video. You can pause to read them, or we do have a product spotlight in the description that you can check out. Okay, so let's unbox it. Let's open it up. The first thing we see is the Shogun unit itself. The Shogun Connect is 7.8 inches in width, 5.2 inches in height, and has a 7-inch screen. Put it over here for now. Next up, we have some paperwork, including our quick start guide. I'll put that right over there. Next up, we have the 7-inch protective pouch. Okay, so let's see what's inside this first box, shall we? Open it up, and we have our antenna carrying pouch. We have our 2 Wi-Fi antennas. We have our RF antenna. We have our black caps for the antennas. We have our MasterCaddy III. We have our colored caps. We have these screws for the AtomX SSDmini handle. And underneath that box, you might have seen that I revealed our screen cloth and our audio jack. And in this last box, this is our international power supply with the power cord and all of the adapters in here. I'll lay those out for you in a moment. So this is everything laid out nice and neatly of the brand new Atomos Shogun Connect. And that just about does it for this unboxing video. I have everything laid out here for one more final look. Thanks for joining us for this video. See you in the next one.